All right, go ahead, Nance.
Otto
Okay.
is getting
Go again.
larger.
Find a bonus. Nice.
Buying a plane is no different than riding a bicycle.
Go again. I've been kick.
The pressure.
I keep picking collect anyway.
Do you know what he had
Okay.
for dinner?
Where did
Good.
you get that thrill?
Get a good one. Get a bonus.
Looks like I picked the wrong week to be smoking.
What the hell are they? Yeah! Now the steak and the
Do it for
fish.
dinner now?
Are you gonna pick it?
Pick the steak to increase your
Picking it?
multiplier.
Find the steak. All right. No! Well, it was worth $4 anyway.
Choice, fish.
It's over the bonus.
Just that one. All right, you're doing good. Go ahead.
Listen to him.
Watch, as soon as I touch it, I'll get a collect. Yeah! All right, do it again. Do it again. Pick the win all. Pick the award all. What do you like?
Something to eat?
Do it again. You can do it again. Come on.
Yeah.
Win all. Oh my God! She actually did it again. You are 2 for 2 on that.
That's hard to get. I know.
I can't believe you just got that. Wow. Now you need to find the first class ticket. Get the golden ticket.
And where is that?
I don't know. Come on, just find it. Just find it.
It could be anywhere.
Anywhere.
Right?
Just get that. Oh, I can't believe you found that. Get that first class ticket. Good. Oh my God. I don't believe this. Take your time.
Take 5.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, he auto picks for you. He auto picks for you. He could possibly find it for us.
Yeah, okay, good.
Yeah! He just picked the 1200 again. He just duplicated the 1200. Oh, damn it.
He picked the collector, they
It's
did.
okay, because he won 1300. All right, go again, go again. Go again. Because he's a saver. Come on, find that ticket.
Wait.
Yep, take your time. Oh my God. No, it's okay. There's 3 of them on there. Find it. There's 3 of them on there.
And then?
No.
Shit.
Damn it.
I missed.
It was right there. That's okay. You know what? You did really good. That's 70 bucks.
You got the
Yeah. You did great.